leaving. What you trying to do to me? Well, I can't be talking